Hello friends, today I am going to talk about how to farm gems effectively. This is the Carrot Cast. So there are four things that I want to talk about in which how do you farm your gems very effectively. Few are very basic things such as this gathering speed 50% token always should be on. It's not just for gems but it's for everything that you are doing. The second point that is very important is do not keep on coming back after every gem tile back to your city. So for example, you see my Clio is coming back. So I should not let her come back. What I need to do is I just need to scout for a better gem tile. And once I get a better gem tile, I should just redirect her to that location. So what happens because of this is you just save a lot of energy for her to walk back because that's a lot of wastage of time. If I will look into it, it was 6 minutes for her to come back to my city. I saved that time, and that's very efficient way. And the third trick, which is the most important, is how to get actually maximum out of this. So the center of this is my two gathering commanders, which is Matilda and Constance. So you see my Matilda is coming back. I'll just log in, and what I see is my Matilda has come back, and the numbers in the green are the most important numbers here. So what you see is I got in this case 20 plus 5 gems, 10 plus 2 gems. So every tile is giving me actually 26% bonus resources. How do I get these bonus resources? It all depends on the skill set of Matilda and Constant because that's a very important thing for you to have. So I'll just open and I'll go to Matilda, and when I'm at Matilda you will see her expertise. What does her expertise say? Her expertise say that you will gain 10% additional resources on completion of gathering. So this is the first 10%. Second is her talent. What does her talent says? In the talent you come to here to the more the better. Here you get 6% extra resources on completion. So that becomes 16%. And then I pair her up with Constance. So if I go and find Constance here, her fourth skill is again this commander gives 10% extra. So that total becomes 26%. So 26% of 20 gems is 5.2, so I get actually 5 extra gems. So this actually adds up very significantly to all the tile gathering I'm doing. You see, right? Most of my gathering I'm getting 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And this one is coming from the other commanders because every gathering commander in the gathering tree we have the talent, the more the better, and you get 6% extra. But when you have the skill set, you get that additional benefit. We can actually get that additional benefit from our Seondok also because Seondok, when you expertise her, you again get an additional 10% resources. So she is also an excellent pair, but again she is legendary, so everybody will not have her maxed. I have been playing this game for over 850 days, so I have her maxed as an F2P also. Okay, now the last trick which I have not completed, but I want to share with you is based on the gathering equipment, and this is very crucial for how we play the game. Now when I come here, sorry, I actually go to my blacksmith. I come to the sets, and when I come to the gathering set is extremely important for us. That is the Forest Guardian set. What you see here is I already have three pieces of equipment, but I do not have the fourth piece of equipment, which is the Scepter of the Forest Guardian. When I get this fourth set and the complete set is met, what I do is get extra resources from gathering is plus 5, and as soon as I get this plus 5, my 26 becomes 31, and 31 means that I start getting one extra gem. Now you'll think that, you know what, 6 extra gems, how big a deal it is. But let's say you are gathering thousands of gems a day, which actually you can, if you see my account, you see that every single of my marches except the one that is in the alliance pit is gathering for gems. And once you have, let's say, even 500 gems a day, that 26% actually or 30% actually becomes 200 extra gems, and that is very big number for each and every one of you. Okay, so enjoy and happy farming.